In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WP Travel Engine for free in 2025. This guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you have the plugin up and running smoothly on your website. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a small tour company, or running a large travel business, WP Travel Engine can be a game changer in managing your travel bookings efficiently, and the best part is you can install it free of charge. So let's dive in and get started. First, we're going to head over to wordpress.org, specifically to the plugins section. In your web browser, type in the URL wordpress.org/plugins/WP Travel Engine. This page is where you'll find the WP Travel Engine plugin, along with detailed information about its features and benefits. Once you're on the page, look for the download button. This button is usually prominently displayed, and when you're ready, go ahead and click on download to get the zip file. This file contains everything you need to install the plugin on your WordPress site. With the plugin downloaded, our next step is to enter your WordPress admin. If you haven't already logged in, open up your WordPress admin panel. Typically, you can reach this by typing your website's URL followed by WP admin. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, we'll move on to the installation phase. Inside your WordPress admin dashboard, pay a visit to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Hover over it, and you'll see an option appear that says Add New. Click on this option, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can install plugins. Now at the top of this page, there should be a button that says Upload Plugin. Click on it, because we're going to manually upload the zip file we downloaded in the previous step. Now that we're ready to upload, you'll need to click on Choose File. A window will pop up, allowing you to locate the zip file you just downloaded from wordpress.org. Find the file on your computer, select it, and then click Install Now. This action will transfer the plugin to your WordPress site and prepare it for activation. Once the installation is complete, the next thing you'll see is an activation prompt. You should see an option to activate plugin. Just one more click, hit Activate Plugin, and you'll be all set. The WP Travel Engine plugin will now be fully operational on your WordPress site. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and activated the WP Travel Engine plugin, unlocking a whole new level of travel management capabilities for your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy travels!